Welcome class. Today we will continue with the chapter 5 festivals we celebrate. In our previous videos we have came to know about religious festivals. We have gone through some of the religious festivals like Dasahara, Durga Puja, Eid, Christmas, Guru Parv, Holi, Pongal, Onam and Ganesh Chaturthi. These were some of the religious festivals that we have read in the previous chapter. So today we will start with national festivals. So what are national festivals? National festivals are the festivals which all the people of our country celebrate together. So national festival is somehow different from religious festival. National festival is a kind of festivals which all the people of the country celebrate together. Each and every person living in a country celebrate national festival. These festivals remind us about the important events of our country. We mainly celebrate 3 national festivals. So these festivals remind us about the national events which happened in our country, and we mainly celebrate 3 national festivals. The 3 national festivals are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So first of all we will read about Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. On this day in 1947, our country got independence from the British rule. So, on 15th August every year, we celebrate Independence Day. Why we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every day? Because on this day we got independence. Our country got independence from the British rule. The main function of Independence Day is held in Delhi, and the most important festival and parades are held in New Delhi. The Prime Minister of our country hosts the national flag at the Red Fort, and the Prime Minister of our country, he hoists the flag at the Red Fort. He hoists the national flag at Red Fort. Flags are also hoisted on all the government buildings and schools, and along with the national flag which get hoisted at the Red Fort, some of the flags are also hosted in government buildings and schools. On Independence Day, we remember our freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our motherhood, and we got independence because of the freedom fighters who fought bravely to make our country independent from the Britishers. So we also remember those freedom fighters who sacrificed their life for our India, for our motherland. So now we will come to Republic Day. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. On this day in 1950, our constitution was adopted and India became a republic. So we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year, and this was the day on which our constitution was formed and India became a republic country. The main function of Republic Day is held in New Delhi. There is a big parade which is taken out from the Rajpath. Our armed forces, folk dancers and school children take part in the parade, and on the occasion of Republic Day, a big parade is being taken out from Rajpath, and armed forces, folk dancer and school children, they take part in this parade. The President of India takes the salute of the parade. He also gives award to brave boys and girls. At night, government buildings are beautifully illuminated, and the President, he gives a salute to the parade. The President of India gives salute to the parade which takes place at Rajpath, and the President also gives award to the boys and girls who are brave. At night, the government buildings are also decorated with lights and they are lighting beautifully. Now we will come to Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. So on every year on 2nd October we celebrate Gandhi Ji. On this day in 1869 Mahatma Gandhi was born. So Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869. So we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader, and Mahatma Gandhi, he was a great leader who fought for our country, for the independence of our country. He led our freedom movement. So he was the head of our freedom movement. He led the freedom movement. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation, and Mahatma Gandhi, he is known as father of the nation. The main function of Gandhi Jayanti is held at Rajghat, New Delhi. Rajghat is the Samadhi of Gandhi Ji. So, Gandhi Jayanti is held, the function of Gandhi Jayanti, it is held at Rajghat, New Delhi. And Rajghat is the Samadhi of Gandhi Ji. So, students, today we have completed our chapter. So, in our next video, we will start chapter 6. Your homework is to go through the chapter and read the importance of every festivals. So that's all for today. Thank you.